Sir, anong agenda natin dito,
Sa-
sir?
Ha?
Ano po kayo nandito, sir?
Ano agenda nyo?
Anong kaso ba yun ngayon? I think it's the... Saan, anong kaso ngayon?
So we have a complaint, sir, na final po dito sa DOJ.
Ha? CIDG.
What was the
Yun.
complaint, sir, na final sa inyo?
I think it's the same one, the sedition, rebellion, everything.
And you are here to file counter? Ano
Yes.
po yung counter affidavit?
Yes.
Ano, sir, yung nilalaman ng counter natin?
Just the usual, the same response for most of the other sedition and
Can
rebellion.
you reiterate, sir? Ano po yung laman nito?
Yes, it's the same as usual.
Preliminary
Saan ba?
investigation po.
Okay. Preliminary investigation.
Oo. So, what do you want to point out in your counter affidavit po? Ano po yung sagot ninyo na hihahain sa inyong counter affidavit?
Well, it depends on what specific case this is because I've received many complaints and many cases on various different posts and various different speeches that I've made that I release in my online accounts. So it depends on which one this is kasi sobrang dami na hindi ko na alam kung ano to.
Pero anong
But
basis nito, sir?
I've read of my counter affidavits, of my responses to the cases. It's just that this practically becoming a weekly occurrence and I don't know which specific one this is until I read the one that...
Pero sir, hindi